I was going to do a video on refurbishing this, but the brushes are good. So it's a waste of time rebuilding this. What I think is wrong with this is the bearings are seized. You got a bearing there, needle bearing, that needs to be replaced. So I was going to strip this down and clean it. I also can't get one of these bolts out of it, so I'm going to get my impact wrench, my impact driver. But pretty easy to do if you ever need to do it. Just undo these springs, pull the brushes out, and then that just lifts off like that. You can test the armature. You just go test between each one and then make sure that they're all the same all the way around. To get that armature out, you have to pull that little pin out, pull that gear off, it comes out. To change these ones, you need to get your windings out as well. Then you can resolder new. I ain't never been able to find one of them, the actual plate. I wish you could buy them whole, but I ain't never been able to find them. But you can just resolder new ones onto that plate there, grind it flat, make sure it's cleaned, then resolder the brushes on. Just pull them out like that through the spring. But anyway, mine are alright, so don't need to do it. Just going to change the bearings on this, give it a clean up, it should be alright.